How to make a Spotify song your ringtone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up the Spotify application on your device. Make sure you have an updated version of the application. Then go to any of the song that you want to make your ringtone. So for example, if I want to select this song over here, now all you can do is tap on the three dotted lines over here, tap on that, and here you can see no option to make it your ringtone directly. So here you have to download this song in order to make it your ringtone. So when you tap on download, since it is a premium version, if you do not have it, then you'll not be able to download it as well. So in order to make Spotify song your ringtone, you have to have a premium account, and then you'll be able to download and make it your ringtone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.